Hello everybody, my name is Phil. Welcome back to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at Xtreme Solutions detailing products, 3 of them in particular. All right guys, so what we're looking at today is the Xtreme Solutions Hawaiian Shine Xtreme Suds. So this is their shampoo. We're going to be looking at their PoliSeal, which is amazing, and also their exterior plastic and rubber restore product. Let's talk about the Hawaiian Shine Xtreme Suds. So this is their, I guess what you can call kind of a luxury shampoo. It is really nice, very slick, smells delicious, and it foams up really nice in the foam cannon. As far as putting it in the foam cannon, I probably put about 8 ounces or so, maybe almost 10 ounces. That's lasted me a long time. I know that's kind of maybe a little bit higher than most people would put in a foam cannon. However, when you're using a foam cannon, it dilutes it even more so. So you can put half in there. You can put 16 ounces of soap, the rest of it water, and even at that lower dilution ratio, it's still going to create a lot of foam and it'll last a long time. So if you're using this in a foam cannon, it is great. I love it. Super thick foam, very slick. As we wash the vehicles here, you'll notice that it just has a really nice thick formula to it. It is awesome. Really, really like the cleaning ability of it as well. It is a pH neutral soap, so it's not going to be a high alkaline cleaner. When you are using soaps like this on really grungy cars, you want to do an APC rinse first. Use something that is a high alkaline APC or degreaser, something like Super Clean or the Meguiar's Citrus Power Cleaner Plus or any of those higher alkaline cleaners, because that's what's going to remove the road grime and that traffic film and any of the nasties that are on your vehicle. That is if your vehicle is really, really bad. Now, if it's not, if it's, a daily driver, but you take care of it, you're washing it every other week or so, or it's garage kept, and it's really not that bad, then a shampoo like this is going to be strong enough to clean any of the gunk on it, especially if you have protection on it. So let's talk about protection. So here's their PoliSeal. Here's their PoliSeal. Now this stuff is a hybrid polymer spray sealant. So it has SiO2 polymers in it. I guess you can consider it like an SiO2 spray sealant. It can be applied wet, and really that's the way it's supposed to be applied. After you wash and rinse the vehicle, you spray it onto the towel, or you can mist it onto the vehicle. It doesn't take a lot of this stuff. It goes a long way. So 1 or 2 spritz per panel, per towel, dry each section. It's an awesome drying aid as well. You'll notice when you use it, it makes the towel soak up the water so much better. I don't know what it does, breaking up the water tension on the paint, but it acts as an amazing drying aid, so I love it. Now on the big white Ford truck here that we're cleaning, this is maintained every few months or so. So we already put a wax on it, so it was already beating up a little bit. The protection was still hanging on, so this is going to boost it. It's going to add that extra layer of protection on top. And we were working in the full sun outside, of course, because we are mobile detailers. That's what we do. And this stuff works perfectly. We haven't tested it in the extreme heat yet. So once spring and summer hits, we'll be testing these products and see how they perform in high heat and humidity. And even when working in high heat and humidity, just work in smaller sections. So this stuff is just so nice. It's really awesome to use. We'll see the durability of it later on. For now, I'm going to be using it on my regular vehicles that we maintain and detail, and even on my own vehicles to see what type of protection you get from it. Looking around at other detailers who have used this stuff, it boasts some really serious protection. So let's take a look at their plastic and rubber restore products. So this is for the exterior of your vehicle. It is a bumper and trim dressing. So if there are bumpers, really don't see too many just regular plastic bumpers anymore, but you will see the plastic on the top of the bumper where the trunk lid is, usually on SUVs and minivans. And then you have your windshield cowl and the plastic cowling around the side mirrors and those types of areas. That's where this stuff comes in. So if those areas are faded and looking really bad, this stuff restores it. Very easy to use. You just put it on a towel or an applicator. You work it into the surface, make sure that the surface was already cleaned and dry. And then you just work it into the surface, let it soak in for a couple of minutes, and you can wipe off some of the residue if you want, if there is any. I found that really this didn't have much residue because the plastics just sucked it right up, soaked it in, and it produced a beautiful, nice satin finish. So again, we'll see how this stuff lasts on that white truck especially. But so far, I'm really liking the finish on it. And if it's durable, then it's definitely a winner. So guys, these are the products that I've been using and I've been really enjoying them. I have a ton more. I have the other APC cleaners that we've been testing and using, their detail spray. And I also have 2 of their different water-based dressings. This one is a lot more watery. I use this more for interiors. This one is a real nice thick viscous formula, and I've been using this one for tires. But for now, I wanted to talk about these 3 products because I'm really happy with them. I'm loving them so far. Pros and cons with them, not really a lot of cons at all. You know, when it comes to scents, that really doesn't matter much anyway, I know. But it is nice to work with products that smell good because it just makes the whole detailing process that much more enjoyable. Their shampoo smells awesome. And it's the same scent as their Showroom Elegance, which is their detail spray and kind of like a spray wax also. So even if you just want to do a quick wash and wax on your own vehicle that is well maintained, or a vehicle that is well maintained, a customer's, then using a shampoo like this, use this as a drying aid and adds protection. Just with these 2 alone, you can really get some awesome results. And guys, I will have links to these products down below. Their shampoo, their plastic rubber restore for your exterior pieces, and their PoliSeal. Get your hands on this stuff. This stuff is awesome. So versatile, super easy to use, and like I mentioned in the other introductory video, their customer service is out of this world. They will respond immediately, and they really love their products, and they love hearing feedback from customers as well. So pick up some of these products, use them for yourself, and let me know what you think. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like it, share with others who may enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time a video is dropped each week and you don't miss stuff. So we'll see you in the next one, guys. Have a safe week. Take care.